Hey guys, it's Carolina here from KarolinasKrafts and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I just wanted to share with you guys some new magnets I got. So these were sent to me by Element Magnets. Project 39 mini album. She uses these all the time and she recommended me and they sent me some to try to see if I like them. And I'm excited to try these because if I do like them, which we're going to try out a few in a second here, I'm going to try to stick them down and we're going to see how well they stick. But if I like these, I'm excited because they are cheaper than the ones I have been using. And you guys know, sometimes I use like a whole pack of magnets, what is it, like a whole, like a 12 pack of magnets. Like these are the ones I was using. Sometimes I'll use like a whole entire pack and these are expensive. They're probably like $9 on Amazon right now. So I definitely needed a cheaper option. So when Project 39 told me that she uses these, I was like, yes, I want to try them. And so they had actually sent me some to try after I said yeah, I want to try them. So I'm going to see what they look like first. They sent me 4 different kinds, which are perfect for paper crafters like me, for albums and everything. So I'm excited. And they're packaged up really well in here. I don't believe that they have a sticky, which I'm totally fine with because before I even found the basic gray magnets, before I found those, I didn't have ones that had adhesive anyway, and I'm okay with that because that's what we have double-sided tape for, right? So let me see. This is the 1/2-inch ones. All right. So, oh wait, what is this in between? Oh, they have like a thing in between so that they don't stick together, so that they're easy to take apart. Look at that. All right, so we have 2 magnets here. And let's see. Okay, those seem pretty good. Whoa. Okay, I do want to try them, so I'm gonna get some paper and I want to see how well they stick. You know what? I'm gonna get scrapbook paper, scrap paper. So I'm gonna make myself a quick little template here. I got some scraps of paper. I made a little booklet piece that I would normally use. And my glue is stuck. Okay, so I made myself, this is for a little cut apart or something that I would normally use a magnet for. So let me just put it right here. Let's put it in the middle. All right, so this would normally be a little booklet, right? So I would normally put paper on top of here and then paper under here, right? So I'm just gonna glue this. Ooh. Well, then I want to glue this right here so I could kind of slide it in as needed. Well, let's just glue it like that, just a little strip. So pretend that's my second layer of paper there. I would put pattern paper on top, right? And then I would have a paper here. So let's say I want to put this down here. Because these don't have a sticky on them, which like I said is completely fine, you're just going to take a piece of double-sided tape. I would want this to go right here, right? So then you would take that off, put down your magnet. Okay, I have the 2 on there, and then put that other magnet on top, attach your sticky to it, take that paper off, and then fold it over. Okay, just like that, and that's gonna stay put right there. So now let's pretend I have this paper covering that up, and let's say I have this paper covering this up. My makeshift little album here. And let's see. Oh, those stick really good. I like those. Wow, I like those a lot. Okay, So that works really well. And then sometimes, let's say I wanted to double mat. Now double matting, I would generally still then put the magnet on top of that first layer just to make sure it has a strong magnet. But let's say I just wanted to double magnet here. And so I have that paper there. That still works through that. So let's say somebody wants to add photos, for example, this would still work really well. And I could even fold this one up, the magnet's right here. So now we have double the layers. And that still works pretty well too. So that would still work if somebody added photos on both sides. Like I like these. I am impressed right now. Magnets are hard to find, and especially like cheaper ones. So, and like although these are cheaper in price, they are not cheaper in quality. So I am loving that right now. I'm just gonna put them back onto the thing so I could save these magnets because I don't want to waste them. Where did I put that other black piece? There we go. To go in between so that they don't stick together. I like these. So again, this is the, oh, how did I stick these down? Oh, this is the 1/2 inch size. So that's a good size. I think I would like to also get some larger ones to match the large ones that I normally use. So if you guys could see this, these ones are still bigger. So I think I need like maybe like a 3/4 inch. But I think, no, these are not even the same as the basic gray small ones. But anyway, so far I'm impressed with that. And then they also sent me this one, which is smaller. I think these ones might be like the small size of the basic gray. So they look like this, and I think they're going to be like the same strength. So let's try. There we go. Yep, those are still pretty good. And then if I fold one up, like it still holds, you guys. And then let's say I have the 2 pieces. So if somebody adds photos, those work really well. I am really liking these. I think this is gonna be my new favorite thing. So I just want to I wanted to demo these before I even got a chance to use them, but I will definitely let you guys know when I use these in an album. So next album I do make, I do want to try them out in an actual album. So I will definitely keep you guys posted. But from the looks of them right now, they are looking great. Where did that magnet just go? Oh, I stuck it on the wrong one. Oh my gosh, they do stick together so well. I see why they put these little black pieces in between. Okay, so that one is this is the 3/8 inch. Okay, so we got these, and you could buy them like in different packs, I guess. So they sent me the 1/2 inch. So this one was by 1 32 inch. They also sent me a slightly thicker one, which, let's see. Okay, let's see. This one is another, this is a 1/4 inch size. Oh my god, these are so little. They are so cute. So we got those. And then these ones. Now I don't know what I would use the 1/4 inch ones for. Actually, I do. I do know. You know that, you guys know that little super mini ornament album I made? These would have worked really well on that, especially if they're as strong as all the other ones. So those would have been really good on like the teeny little project. And then this one is the 1/2 inch by 1/16 inch. I think these ones might be a little bit too thick for my liking. So I would definitely probably say like get the ones that are 1/32, 1/32 by an inch. Because these are definitely thicker, and I definitely like the thinner ones. But I mean, they're strong. Just a comparison to the basic gray. Yeah, these are definitely thicker. I'm probably gonna like the 1/32 of an inch rather than the 1/16 of an inch, like these guys. Okay, putting those back on there. Let me do another comparison here with these ones to see how thin they are. Oh, these are even thinner. Look at that. They are thinner than the basic gray ones. So this is the basic gray and this one is thinner. I do like that a lot. Sometimes like my magnets do show through my album, especially if I use my bone folder too much around it. So the thinner the better. The thinner is always better, in my opinion. As long as it works good. Like, it doesn't mean it's always better if you don't have a good magnet, but these ones seem to work really, really well. So I am impressed. So that is what they sent me, you guys, so I could try them out. I will let you know when I use it in a project. But yeah, in the meantime, if you guys want to get any already, like, I am liking these. Just get the ones that are 1/32 of an inch, like for thickness. But the 1/4 inch is small, so unless you're making some teeny projects, maybe don't get that one. But I definitely like these two sizes, the 1/2 inch and the 3/8 of an inch. I'm gonna use them all. I'm gonna end up using them all. I know that already because I'm not gonna waste no magnets, but I will tell you my preference is going to be these two for sure. So I'm gonna link them down below, you guys, and if I could get a coupon code from them, I will. I'll try to reach out to them in case you guys wanted to get some too. And like I said, I will let you guys also know when I share a project, when I have these magnets in there, so that you guys can get some too. And like I said, they are a cheaper price than the basic gray, and I feel like I'm going bankrupt with those basic gray ones because, like I said, sometimes they're like $8-9 a pack, and sometimes I use a whole entire pack in an album, and how am I supposed to make a profit when I have the paper, you have the chipboard, you have the magnets you're paying for, the tape, the glue? Like, it gets expensive, and then, you know, then you end up having to charge more for an album. But anyway, so I just wanted to share what they sent me. I know, like I said, Debbie from Project 39 Mini Albums uses these. And so we were talking about like what magnets she uses. She told me the one she uses. Then she told them about me, and they had sent me some to try out. So I'm very excited to use these in an album. So I'll keep you guys posted. In the meantime, check the description box. I'll try to have a coupon code for you guys. Like, I'll reach out to them. So if there is one, it'll be in the description box down below. And thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.